Hi guys, very good morning. This is 1st April 2021 and this is the real storytelling series going on. I'm telling you how to tell a story. So whatever the activities I do every day, I record a video and upload that so that you the guys can understand how to tell a story. Well, today I got up around 6:30 in the morning. After that I got fresh and I got dressed. I had my breakfast and now I am at my farm. As you can see, this is my garage. So from here I have to take my Alto car out and I am going to Patna, the same hospital, Mahavir Cancer Sansthan. So I am going along with my dad because this is the date for chemotherapy and this is the second chemotherapy going to be done today, guys. So I will start from here. Right now it is going to be 8 o'clock and it takes almost 2 hours to reach there. So that's why by 10 o'clock I think I should be there so that all the activities can be started. Whatever the file process and all the things are there, it can be started. So let's go, guys. Thank you. Stay. Hi guys. So it is around 9:38 and we have reached Patna and I have parked my car nearby the hospital. Now I am going to hospital along with my dad, guys. So the chemo process will be started. When he gets admitted, that time I will try if I could shoot some footages, then I will definitely add to this video, guys. Stay connected. Thank you, guys. After spending so much time here, finally I got the bed. So my dad got admitted here. As you can see, he got admitted and all the chemo related medicines are there in that packet, and now the chemotherapy process will be started. Stay connected, guys. ठीक है. This is the second chemo है. दूसरा chemo है. ठीक महसूस कर रहे हैं? Okay. Hi guys, so my father's chemotherapy is going on and meanwhile I felt hungry, so I came to a particular restaurant, I would say, yeah, a kind of restaurant. So here I have ordered one thali. You can see the thali. So this is the thali. In this you can see rice is here, pulse, vegetables, this is called bhujia and papad, along with some chutney, maybe this is called achar, pickle. So this is all happening, guys. So after eating this meal I will go back to that ward where my dad is admitted. Stay connected. Thank you. So guys, I have had my food and now I'm going back to the room where my dad is admitted. So you can see the hospital. Let me show you through the back camera, guys. Hi guys. So excuse me. So now finally my dad has been discharged from the hospital. So now let me narrate to you everything what exactly happened. So after parking my car, I went into the premises of the hospital and reaching over there, I went to the particular room to meet a person who had taken the file already. So when I met that person, he handed over me the file and he asked me to go to any other counter to submit the file and get some other receipt. So I went there, I submitted the file, I took the receipt. Then I went to the pharmacy counter and I took all the medicines related to chemotherapy, and having taken that, I went to the room where my dad was to be admitted. I went there, there was a nurse, and I showed that admission paper and all those documents and along with the file to the nurse, and she said that okay, go to that room, and she gave me a bed sheet. She said that take the bed sheet and spread it on the bed and ask your patient to sit there, I mean lie down there. I did the same, and after that, after maybe half an hour, nurse came, she took all the medicines, and after that she started her process, and finally the chemotherapy, the second chemotherapy was started. It continued for at least 3 hours, and after that my dad was discharged from there. So I had to go to make I had to go to any other room number. There are so many rooms, I don't know which room where to go. So the nurse asked me to go to any room for discharge paper making. So I went there, I got it made also, and after that finally he was discharged from the hospital. And now I am heading towards my village, and here I am standing here. This is ROB, road over bridge. It is the part of Patna. So I thought that okay, this is a good place to shoot a video. So this is all what I did today, guys. Yeah, I'm going to show you my dad. He's sitting there in the car. So after the second chemotherapy, how he's feeling, let me show you. It's a beautiful place. You can see this road over bridge. You cannot see traffic here. Amazing. Yes, my dad is here. This is my Alto car, and my dad is here. I'm going to show you. Yes, Dad. तो सेकंड कीमो के बाद कैसा लग रहा है?
ठीक लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा
लग रहा है? ओके. तो कीमो में जैसे सुनते हैं कि बाल झड़ जाते हैं, अपने बाल दिखाइए.
मेरा तो अभी तो जरा नहीं है.
What exactly happened when first chemo was to be done? Then he himself went to the barber and got it bald. Okay. He thought that maybe the hair fall will start. And this is the second chemo. It has been done, but still he has the same hair. Now see, again after 20 days we have to go for the third chemo. So after this I will go back to Noida, and again I will have to come here, guys. So this is all. First doctor told him to go for 4 chemos. After that the CT scan will be done, and after that doctor will decide whether further chemo will be given or not. Anyways, guys, thank you very much everybody. Stay connected. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you.